Hi, AT from CNC at Home. A friend of mine was recently asking me what I was going to be burning next with the laser, and she suggested I try an egg. So I've got a piece of eggshell I rescued from the compost, and I'm going to try cutting it or just etching on it to see how well it does. If it works well, maybe we'll do a little something for Easter. We'll see. Okay, we're going to try this at 1,000 millimeters per minute at 30% power. Yeah, that pretty much did nothing. So let's try to crank it up to 60. So 1,000 millimeters per minute at 60%. Cut some of it. Now it is an irregular surface, but let's see if we can get another piece to burn. I'm going to crank the power up a little bit. Alright, we'll try 1,000 millimeters per minute at 100% power. So at 100% power, that worked really well on a less curved part. This is the top of or the bottom of the egg where it's very curved. We'll see how well it burns with that irregular shape. Interesting. I don't know if it's the consistency of the egg that makes it burn differently like that.
Oops.
Hi, I'm AT from CNC at Home. If you like our content, help support our channel by clicking on subscribe and liking our videos. Thank you for watching this video. Have fun with your CNC at Home projects.